What's up, my friends? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eniola. Thank you so much for watching, and I do all things skincare, beauty, and wellness. Everything I'm about to say today might be one of the reasons why your skin is still not glowing and giving that effortlessly beautiful, flawless, healthy vibe that you want to it. Okay, I want you to replace all your terrible skin habits with 11 practices that I'll be sharing with you today, and let's just jump straight into it. All right, so the first thing is this. Have you figured out your double cleansing technique properly? Now, a lot of people think, oh, the moment I use a makeup wipe and then I go in with my salicylic acid cleanser from CeraVe, I'm fine. No, you are not. I put it to you that if you're using and reapplying sunscreen minimum twice within the day, or you have makeup on like every other day or twice a week, or you go to the office and you have to do makeup every day, you have to figure out your best double cleansing technique, and that is this. Are you a cleansing balm girl or micellar water girl? Cleansing balms are most suitable for dry to normal skin type, while micellar water is most preferable for people who have oily, normal, acne prone combination skin spectrum. All right, so you have to figure out, okay, when I'm doing my double cleansing, which of these two products am I going to add to my cleansing routine to ensure that when I'm actually cleansing my skin, I am removing oils, excess gunk, dirt, and germs from the surface of my skin before I pile up more serums and actives in my skincare routine. So for example, I am normal to combination spectrum kind of girl, and lately I've seen that I've gotten more results with my cleansing when I use a cleansing balm. Do I have micellar water at home? Yes, I do. And I also have makeup wipes. But I've tried all three, and cleansing balms seem to work better for my skin, especially the T-zone where the oils are and some parts of my face. And most especially with melting off all my baked, beautifully, properly applied makeup from the morning till night when I need to take it off. And then after using the cleansing balm, I follow in with my salicylic acid infused cleanser, and I get a very beautiful base. Because if you miss out on having a double cleansing routine that is super precise and that gets the job done, you will only be adding more products to a skin that is dirty, and you will not see results quickly with your skincare products. All right, thing you want to do is this. Make sure that you are changing your bed sheets, your pillowcase every other week. Sis, every other week. I mean, once a week you've switched out your pillowcase with another one. I'm going to show you two types of pillowcases right here, and I'm going to use it to explain what I'm trying to say. This is a colored pillowcase. Okay, this is a colored pillowcase, and this is also a colored pillowcase, but one is able to show you that, oh, we are getting dirty, it's time to change, faster than the other. So to encourage a very good healthy skincare practice like switching up your pillowcase regularly, I would advise you, when you're buying your bed sheet, always go for bright colored bed sheets more than what deep colored bed sheets, because it is going to encourage you to change it often. Because once there's a stain, a grease or stain on this pillowcase, for example, because it is so bright colored, it is going to show, and that would encourage you to change it faster than a dark pillowcase like this one, that if there's grease stain on this, you can't tell. And when it starts to accumulate more and more dirt, you will not be able to tell because, hello, look at this color. There is nothing wrong with using Dudu or black soap on your body. Kudos to you if it has been working. But on your face, if you want to have that effortlessly beautiful glow to your skin, stripping your skin of natural moisture, natural oils, when you know your skin is already dry and sensitive, and then you're adding black soap as a cleanser on top of that mix, is not going to take you anywhere far with achieving a very beautiful, flawless skin. The next thing is this. You want to make sure that you're watching the temperature of the water that you use for cleansing. Been there, done that. I thought the hotter the water, the better the cleansing. No, your skin is capable and is intelligent enough to adjust to temperature. Okay, so what you want to do is to go for water that has room temperature and that has skin temperature. Skin temperature is about 38 degrees or 37 degrees or 37.5. I'm not really sure, okay? So that kind of temperature is most compatible for your skin when you are trying to cleanse day in, day out. If you go for facials and they tell you, oh, we are going to be doing a little bit of steaming and stuff for you, that's okay because it's a one-off. If you are constantly using hot water or very hot warm water to cleanse your face, you are going to be dehydrating your skin and you are going to be starving your skin of natural moisture, oils that should be contributing to the glowy, dewy feel that you want your skin to have. Picking the face, the pimples, squeezing the whitehead. Oh, there's this white thing on my nose. Let me squeeze it out. No. Oh, there's this black pimple on my face. I can just use my fingernail to open it up so that when I'm cleansing, the cleanser will penetrate. Stop doing that. Personally, I've seen more results with my skin when I just allow the pimple to stay put. And if you know you are the kind of person that is very anxious about stuff on your face, buy a pimple patch and just put it there. Before, I used to do that, but now I've mastered the art of being disciplined enough not to touch my face with my fingers whenever there's something to peel off or whitehead or something on the surface of my skin. I just tap, 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 pat when I'm doing my skincare routine, whether it's in the morning or at night. And I've noticed that the less touch you are able to give to those areas, the better and the faster they are going to heal. Okay, because if you keep touching it, you open it up, it gets inflamed, it turns into blackhead, then hyperpigmentation happens, and then of course you're stuck with a terrible, ugly, dark spot. And that is something you don't want. So personally, I will advise you, don't squeeze, don't scratch, and definitely do not poke. The next one is this: using concentrated toning lotions to what? Brighten up your skin a little bit. I just bought this toning lotion to brighten up my skin a little bit. I'm talking of Pure, and there's one particular one that is very, very popular. I've also used it before, but I stopped when I noticed that it was not getting me anywhere safe for my skin. And this is very, very important because these concentrated toning lotions contain AHA that you're supposed to use probably once or twice a week, and also wash it off. Because if you use a toning lotion like Pure, for example, and you use it with a cotton pad and you allow it to stay on your face and you go to the sun and the sun hits that face, okay, without you using sunscreen, I can assure you, you're going to end up with a terrible sunburn on this side of your face, on this side of your cheek, and you're not going to absolutely love it. So what I would advise you to do is this: get a very good exfoliant for your face that you can use once or twice a week and keep it at that. Once you're cleansing, after you're done cleansing, use the exfoliant, allow it to sit on your face for 5 to 7 minutes, and then wash it off. It has done what it is supposed to do, and that is to exfoliate and get rid of dead skin cells. Stop using concentrated toning lotion on your face because they will cause more harm than asking influencers for quick, fast, off-the-counter recommendations because you simply can't wait and you don't think your skin deserves that. You should save up your money to go and get a recommendation from a licensed esthetician or dermatologist. There is nothing wrong with following a skincare influencer like me and watching my videos in order to get knowledge on how to treat your skin. The problem happens when you ask me, then you ask another person. You are following all the influencers on Instagram. They are giving you different kinds of advice and you are trying it on your skin. Your skin is constantly going through a lot of product change because today this influencer tells you to buy this. Tomorrow another one tells you to buy this. You watch my video now, if I'm recommending something, you'll go outside and you'll also buy it. It's too much and it's not going to allow your skin to glow. Okay, once and for all, I always advise people who have very, very serious skin concerns like I just bleached my skin, I just whitened my skin, and I want to recover my skin, and I want to go through a skin repair journey, to go and see a licensed esthetician or dermatologist. Not washing your hands before you start your skincare routine at night. You think because you are back from work, naturally, I didn't touch anything dirty today, my hand should be clean. No. You should wash your hands with either a sanitizer. You sanitize your hands, okay, before you start with your cleansing routine, or you wash your hands with an antibacterial soap to get rid of germs and dirt and stuff that you can't see that has harbored under your fingernails before you start to wash your face. This is important because you want to make sure that once you are going through your cleansing routine, every other routine in your skincare routine, every other step in your skincare routine, that your hands are absolutely clean enough to continue to touch your face to and fro, so that you're not doing your skin more harm than good. Skipping hands and neck in your skincare routine, this is absolutely bad. If you've been doing this over and over again, I want you to stop doing it today, because what that is going to do is this: if you've been skipping your hands and your neck regularly, on your chest, even in your skincare routine, your face is going to stand out as a part of your skin that takes all the care, that looks nurtured, that is youthful looking, that is vibrant, and that is beautiful. And then your neck is going to begin to have terrible wrinkles, dark pigmentation, is not going to look pampered, and your hands are also going to start having wrinkles all over it. You don't want that. So when you are doing your skincare routine, what you want to do is this: if you apply probably 3 drops of serum on your hands for your face, the moment you tap, take the remnant and just apply on your neck. This is very, very important, because the neck, the chest, is going to be getting all the goodness that your face is also getting. Also put yourself on a very simple hand care routine, like washing your hands and using a very beautiful scented hand lotion on your hands before you go to bed. This is important if you want your hands to continue to look youthful, vibrant, and beautiful. The last practice that people have a habit of practicing, the last habit that people do is this: they buy bleaching creams or toning creams with the option and the aim to brighten up their skin a little bit. I just got this bleaching cream to brighten up my skin a little bit because I noticed that I've gotten darker. No, sis, you are doing yourself more harm than good. I assure you, when you notice that your complexion is reasonably darker than what it used to be, it has happened to me before, and I'm just here sharing with you what I did that worked for me. So what I did was to, I cut myself a slack first, and I gave myself a break. You need to rest if you want skincare products to work for you. If you want your complexion to revitalize itself and come back to its beautiful, youthful appearance, you need to rest. You need to eat well. It starts from your nutrition, to rest, to good sleep. And then lastly, instead of using a bleaching cream, use a moisturizing cream. I assure you, if you do it that way, naturally your complexion is going to open up. It will look more vibrant and it will look more youthful. Now, the other option to this is this: if you know the moisturizing cream, you've tried it and it still didn't work, that is to use brightening body lotions instead of bleaching body lotions. And there's a huge difference. A brightening body lotion, for example, is going to have vitamin C. It is going to have things that will brighten up and open up your skin a little bit, since that is your aim. While a bleaching body lotion is going to have things like hydroquinone, giga white, slim white. These products and these ingredients will remove the epidermal layer, and what you think is bright is now actually white, okay? But vitamin C is going to go into your skin, stimulate collagen, and of course encourage your skin to have a bright, beautiful, compelling appearance to it. So this option is better than this option, if you ask me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on the 11 simple habits that you can add to your skincare routine and that you can follow in order to get a very beautiful, glowy skin. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section on which of the points that I mentioned today that you really agree with the most, and that you know that since you've been practicing it, you've been seeing a huge difference with your skincare results. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, give me a huge thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.